Ever looked at your WordPress page and thought, these columns feel cramped, or I need a little more breathing room? Today, I'm going to show you the easiest way to add or remove empty space between columns in the WordPress block editor. First, open the post or page you want to edit in the block editor. Once you're there, find the area between the columns where you want to adjust the spacing. You'll notice a small plus icon appear when you hover between them. Click it to add a new block. Now, type spacer in the search bar and select the spacer block. This block is a simple yet powerful tool that lets you control the vertical space between elements. Once added, you can adjust its height in two ways, either by dragging the handle directly in the editor or by using the block settings sidebar on the right. You can make the space as small or as large as you need, giving your columns just the right amount of breathing room. And if you ever feel like there's too much space, removing it is just as easy. Simply select the spacer block and hit delete. The surrounding columns will move closer together instantly, making your layout clean and perfectly aligned. Using the spacer block is a quick, visual way to control spacing without touching any code, making your pages look professional and easy to read. Play around with different heights until it feels just right for your design. That's all it takes to master spacing between columns in WordPress. With this trick, your content will look cleaner, more organized, and way more visually appealing.